Mastering English. Trading nouns for pronouns. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to delve into an important topic in English language learning: replacing nouns with pronouns. By mastering this, you can make your conversations and writings more interesting and varied. Let's get started. First off, it's essential to understand what nouns and pronouns are. Nouns are words used to name people, places, things, or ideas. Pronouns, on the other hand, are words that take the place of nouns. They help us avoid redundancy in our language. Examples of pronouns include he, she, it, they, and so on. Now, let's do some exercises to identify the nouns and pronouns in sentences. Practice is the key to learning. Here's an example sentence. Sarah reads her book in the library. In this sentence, Sarah and book are the nouns, and her is the pronoun replacing Sarah to avoid repetition. Let's practice with some exercises. I will give you a sentence with a noun, and your task is to replace that noun with a suitable pronoun. Here is an example. Tom and Jerry are fighting because Tom stole Jerry's cheese. We can replace the nouns, Tom and Jerry, with pronouns to avoid repetition. Tom and Jerry are fighting because he stole his cheese. Try to find some sentences in a book or online and practice replacing the nouns with pronouns. Now, let's take a quiz to assess your understanding. I will give you a sentence, and you will need to replace the nouns with pronouns where it makes sense. Here's an example. Jane was happy because Jane got an A on Jane's English test. How would you change this sentence to use pronouns? Take a moment to think about it, and here is the possible answer. Jane was happy because she got an A on her English test. Great job if you got it right. Keep practicing with more sentences. That wraps up our lesson on replacing nouns with pronouns. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at replacing nouns with pronouns. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of English.